द बिग क्वेश्चन जो सोशल मीडिया में आ रहा है कि वाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू बिल्ड ऑल वेदर स्टेडियम्स नहीं बन रहा है इंडिया में.
It depends. Okay, BCCI doesn't make a stadium.
Hmm.
It is the association who makes the stadium.
Hmm.
And to build a stadium with all weather, it is so expensive. It will cost you minimum around 800 to 900 crores.
Wow.
So to get that revenue back is very difficult. And that is also not so practical stadium. See what happens why foreign countries have it all weather, because they use their cricket stadium as multi-purpose stadium. They do concerts there, they play football there, they play rugby there, they play cricket there.
सब कुछ खेलते हैं उधर.
सब कुछ खेलते हैं.
कॉन्सर्ट्स भी देते हैं.
और that stadium is built by government. And government gives you to handle. So investment is, and that one stadium, when I went to Australia, one stadium was costing about 10,000 crores, 12,000 crores. So who is going to invest that much?
Ooh.
So that is where the difference arises. And I don't think we need still, I think we need more practice wickets. We are already prepared in making a all-weather practice wicket.
Okay.
So it's a new technology. There is a lot of new technology coming, because to open and shut the stadium is very difficult. That is very difficult, and to maintain it, and you need all round the year to have that income. But to have a new technology, which New Zealand has already found, it's like not a glass but a plastic which is transparent.
Okay.
But can pass through UV rays for grass to grow.
Oh wow.
Because you need UV rays to grass to grow. So that is why you need covered ground, but you need to open it for sun to come. It is not, you can cover it anytime. I can cover whole stadium, but I need UV lights to grow the grass. That is why I need sun to open it.
I guess जब हम यूके में थे तभी वो देखा था कि एक गोल पोस्ट जैसा एक स्ट्रक्चर रहता है, एक ट्रस रहता है इन सी शेप, और वहां से आई गेस देयर यूवी रेज जो पास होते ग्रास की क्वालिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, उनको जल्दी ग्रो करने के लिए.
You can put lights also for UV rays to grass to grow, but for that you need revenues. If you see Wembley Stadium,
exactly.
it can be shut, but it has heated seats, it has everything, but that is managed by government. So tomorrow if government give 10,000 crore, tomorrow I will make.
तो जयदेव भाई, बीसीसीआई इतना रिच होने के बाद वो खुद से अपना एक स्टेडियम क्यों नहीं बना सकता?
हर एक रूरल में भी एसोसिएशन को स्टेडियम बनाने हैं, ग्राउंड्स, तो ज्यादा वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऑल वेदर से मेरे ख्याल से अभी हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अभी भी बहुत पीछे है. तो धीरे धीरे अभी सब लोग के पास अपना अपना स्टेडियम अभी बन रहा है. अभी भी थोड़े जन के पास अपना स्टेडियम नहीं है, तो वो भी बना रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं कि कैसे हम लोग बड़ा करें और अच्छा करें. तो मेरे ख्याल से पहले वो एक स्टेज आ जाएगा, फिर एक स्टेज आएगा